We're fortunate to live in a time of incredible technological advancement, handy brilliant tools, and clever innovations. These technological advances have led to some amazing devices. Today, we will discuss 12 insane gadgets you need to see, and guess what? You can buy them on Amazon. Before that, remember to give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to stay updated. Number 1. SOG Cash and Card Clip. For individuals who only carry a few cards and some cash, a large wallet is a real pain in the ass. This little knife might be the key to escaping. Don't assume anything just because you see a clip. You can use it to keep your cards, cash, and ID card organized. And it also has a foldable knife that can be opened to reveal an almost 3-inch razor-sharp blade that is secured by a solid liner lock. To quickly close the knife when not in use, move the liner lock to the left. Because of how small and light the tool is, it won't take up much space in your pockets. Useful for when you don't want to carry your entire wallet with you when you go out. You can buy it on Amazon for $32.95. Number 2. Galaxy Moon Nightlight. This lamp was specifically made to mimic the planet's rocky surface. The ball is decorated with beautiful colored drawing crafts. The Galaxy lamp's color atmosphere can be changed via touch control or remote control. You can choose from 4 modes and 16 RGB colors to make a cozy, romantic, or quiet atmosphere. The device's built-in battery can last up to 12 hours on a single charge, which makes it the ideal nightlight. You won't ruin the overall look with the cords because a USB charging cord is included in the package. Simply place the ball on the wooden base to use it. Do you have any better ideas about how to beautify your space? You can get this gadget at $19.95 on Amazon. Number 3. Divoom Mini Retro Bluetooth Speaker. An incredible Bluetooth speaker that is the prettiest conceivable combination of sound and light. It first produces 6 watts of output and offers 360-degree surround sound. The speaker's Bluetooth 5.0 compatibility allows for a flawless connection, but it's more than just a speaker, because it has built-in LEDs that can display practically anything you can imagine, using 16 million different colors. You can create your beautiful pixel art or browse an infinite library of them in the unique mobile app. It also displays notifications. Since the device has a smart alarm, you should probably set it next to your bed. Using certain audio tracks and light waves helps you sleep better. On a single charge, you can play for up to 10 hours. You can get this amazing device on Amazon at $99.90. Number 4. DJI AVATA. Drones with first-person views have become very popular recently. These special gadgets are the closest you can get to feeling like you're flying like a bird, because they let you put on a headset and control a drone from a first-person perspective. The DJI AVATA, the company's most recent iteration of this technology, was just introduced. It's designed to be more resilient and prepared for any unlucky collisions. It can be controlled with a joystick that replicates your hand movements, or a controller. Ingenious features like the compatibility to employ customized routes, follow a person or vehicle, and go back to the beginning place if it deviates too far are also included. You can get it at €1,204 on Amazon. Number 5. Nothing Ear Stick. Making engaging earbuds can be difficult. Nowadays, most people appear, feel, and behave similarly. So finding something a little unique is always enjoyable. Nothing is a company that strives to innovate by offering things that are just a little bit different from the competition. With the stick, diversity is added by the charging case. The case is a long tube that slides into your pocket with little problem. The headphones are visible within the cast after it twists open. These headphones sound great, have a battery life, and have a unique design from the competition. They also fit comfortably. You can get it on Amazon at €99.9. Number 6. DJI Osmo Mobile 6. In terms of camera gear, DJI has expanded across the entire market. producing a ton of action cameras, drones, and accessories. The DJI Osmo Mobile 6, a gimbal that you can use with your smartphone, is one of their most recent products. By balancing your motion while filming, you'll be able to get clean footage even if you're sprinting, driving, or otherwise flinging yourself around. With the aid of DJI's Active Track 5.0 software, you can effortlessly track a subject while maintaining their presence in the frame, even when they're moving. Numerous buttons for zooming, cinematic blurring, and other similar effects are also included on the gimbal. You can get it on Amazon for $145. Number 7. Ring Alarm Pro. The Ring Alarm Pro, which contains everything you need to safeguard your house against break-ins, bad weather, and emergencies, was released this year by the firm, which is already an expert in the field of security cameras. Since the security hub also functions as an Eero Wi-Fi 6 router, you may expand the network's coverage by installing additional access points around the house. You won't need to worry if there are power or internet disruptions, because the Ring Alarm Pro has backup battery power and internet access. Buy on Amazon at $299.99. Number 8. Samsung Airdresser. What if you were never required to go to the dry cleaners again? Samsung Airdresser makes it unnecessary. A luxurious appliance worth desiring is the Airdresser. It enables you to sanitize your clothing while also allowing you to dry clean it in your closet. The Airdresser is one of the less well-known smart home items from Samsung, although the company frequently appears on our list of the best gadgets. It might become your new favorite possession because it is so seriously cool and pricey. You can buy it on Amazon for $999.9. Number 9. Anker Soundcore Frames. The latest technology trend is wearable audio. Anker has learned from its failures to release a best-in-class product, even though Bose may have started off with their unexpectedly good Bluetooth glasses, also known as Bose frames. The Soundcore frames have speakers built into the temple that delivers powerful audio to your ear. You can adjust the EQ settings in the companion app to get the exact sound you want. It includes touch and voice controls, allowing you to manually control music and use Siri or Google Assistant to complete tasks on your mobile device. Additionally, Anker offers these audio frames in a variety of designs to suit your sense of style. You can buy them on Amazon for $200. Number 10. TrueSense Large Smart Wi-Fi Air Purifier. Within the next few years, portable air purifiers will become standard household items. By getting this elegant, clever air purifier in your living room, you can be a trendsetter. All forms of pollutants can be captured and eliminated by TrueSense thanks to its 360-degree dew point True HEPA filtering system. We're talking about things like pet dander, smoke, smells, airborne viruses, allergies, and certain VOC gases. The bidirectional airflow delivers cleansed air 24% better than your typical air purifier. And it has a coverage area of up to 750 square feet. Air quality monitoring is made simple by sensor pod readings, and you can manage anything right from your smartphone. Buy it on Amazon for $389. Number 11. HidrateSpark TAP. The HidrateSpark TAP's greatest asset may be its low price. $19 is a steal. But we're more interested in the smart water bottle's other cutting-edge features. Every bottle has patent-pending tap-to-track technology, which shows you how much water you're drinking each day every time you tap the bottle. The simple companion app lets you keep tabs on your water intake and a variety of additional hydration objectives. Additionally, the bottle's bottom has an LED that illuminates once per hour for 12 hours to remind you to hydrate. That's accountability, I suppose. Buy on Amazon for $20. Number 12. Anker 535 Portable Power Station. Speaking of outdoor activities, you'll love having the Anker 535 portable charge station at your side to help power all of your equipment. We've already used it on a few vacations, but we can't emphasize enough how useful it is for unseen circumstances, like power outages or bad weather. There's nothing that this portable power station can't charge thanks to its 9 ports, which include 4 AC outlets, 3 USB-A ports, a USB-C port, and a car outlet. Additionally, there's a useful LED light on the front that may be used as ambient lighting while camping. Using the optional solar panel, you could even live off the grid and run this power plant. Buy on Amazon for $579.99. If you liked one of the gadgets, check out the description for the links to the products. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and press the notification bell so you may not miss any future updates. See you in another video. Until then, take care.